the che yin, che min, che song, che ma song, che yin sa re, che yin sa ma re, auxiliary verb, the ending verb of Tibetan. First person nga nga zo, kyo kyun zo, ko ko zo. Right? For the first person, when you are answering, when you are stating something, then you can use yin, min, ane yinsare, yinsamare. So with verb like seyin, cheyin, seyin, chemin, nge ngacho, nge kala seyin, ngacho kala seyin. You cannot say nge kala se song. You cannot say that. For the second person, you have to say kyugi kala se song, song. You cannot say kyugi kala seyin. You cannot say that. Kyuju kala se ma song, right? For the third person, it's also same. Ku kala se song. He ate food. Kozu kala se yin samare. They might they might not eat it. You cannot say kozu kala se yin, kozu kala se min. You cannot say that. So yin min you have to add after nge for the first to first person. Asking question, you have to add somewhere, which is question, say somewhere after first person, right? Nye kala say somewhere, nga tsui kala say somewhere, nye nangzhong che ma somewhere, right? And for the second person, you have to ask or say yin pe, min pe, right? It changes a little bit when you are asking question, right? Kozu kalak say, kyuzu kalak say yin pe, kyuzu nangzhong che min pe. This is for second person when you are asking. Third person is also always same. Koyo kalak say somewhere, kozu kalak say yin sa mare pe, or something like that. For the third person, it doesn't change anything. For the first or second person, the question and answer, the auxiliary verb, the end verb changes. The question should be, Nye kalak se song, did I eat food? And then answer is, Kyuji kalak se song. Nga tsue nangzhong che ma song, didn't we do homework? Kyuji nangzhong che song, you did homework. Kyuji kalak se, did you eat food? Nye kalak se, I ate food. Kyunzo kalak se, did you eat food? The plural. Nga tsue kalak se, we ate food. Kyo nangzhong che yin sa rebe, koyo nangzhong che zame. Did he do the homework? Koyo nangzhong che yin sa re, he might did. Kyo nangzhong che song we, did they do homework? Koyo nangzhong che song, yes, they did homework. Something like that. The trick should be in the question. When you are asking question and when you are answering a question, auxiliary verb changes with the first person and the second person. Otherwise, it's all same.